Good day and welcome to this video on career development. For this video, we are going to talk about essential communication skills at the workplace. Now, what are communication skills? Every day, we talk to people about life, hobbies, works and things in general. Doesn't that make us very good at communication? Well, think again. There is actually more to it than just talking. When you talk about communication skills, there are two parts to it. One of it is verbal communication, the one skill that most of us are strong at. But for it to be effective, there are a few things that you need to practice as well. For example, do not slur or mumble, and do not use fillers such as or ah. The second part of communication skills is the non-verbal communication. This is the part where few people take notice of. Examples including having eye contact with the speaker to show attentiveness, crossing our arms indicating that they might be bossy, while hands behind their back could mean that they are open to ideas. Now let us run through a few scenarios. You just gotten an email from an employer offering you a position with them. Now what do you do in this situation? First thing first is to reply to them as soon as possible on when you will get back to their offer. Do not take too long to get back, or straight away say yes to the offer. You need time to review the offer and employment terms as well. Draft out a professional reply with your decision on the offer. Once you draft out your reply, do read back the email to check for errors before sending it out. To be ready for your first day at work, you need to know the dress code for your role. Do wear something that is not too flashy or striking. Solid colors are the safest choice for dressing. You'll be introduced to many colleagues on the first few days of you joining the company. Pay attention to people who are speaking to you as lots of information are coming your way. In your career life, you will need to have lots of communication with stakeholders, vendors, and especially customers. The most common form of communication will be via email. There are basic email etiquettes that you need to be aware of, such as the subject line is appropriate and error-free. There is a basic structure to how an email should be written. It is important to know how to craft a professional email to internal and external customers. If this is your first job, communicating with your boss might be something you feel uncomfortable with. There are bosses who like to chat, and there are some who are more reserved. Get to know your boss' preference and take cue from him or her. This can break down walls and create a comfortable and conducive work environment. Thank you for watching. We hope you have enjoyed this video and found it useful. For a more in-depth and detailed coverage, do join us in our workshops. Feel free to reach out to us at Career Services and Engagement Team at PSB Academy. Thank you and all the best in your job search.